We just got back from our house. Oh yeah, this looks better. Let's see what we should do. Come.
Does mom let you go?
No, not that much. Mom doesn't let us go that far. Oh shit, wait, what is that?
Okay, now we're gonna show you this survival video to survive the window.
No. I'm scared of that tree. There was just a bee passing. Joe, there's a bee. Alright, come. It's so hard to hold a vlogging camera.
Well, you should have started like army class like me, boy.
Why?
Cause army class are better.
Alright, let's do some push-ups. Wait, I have to set it up good.
These are yours, Pancho?
What?